YouTubers, here we go. We have another special Amazon unboxing. Get the Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals going on now. Definitely check them out. Everybody knows the name, TCL. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. This is their 4K Ultra HD picture quality, 43-inch, high dynamic range. With Roku TV, I still need to set up a few things, but it's pretty much set up right now in my office. Smart TV, HDMI times 4, so you can have cable box, PlayStation, Xbox, Switch, all them running. You'll be good. Got Wi-Fi, and you can stream all your apps. You know, Disney Plus, Hulu, Roku channel, live TV, cable box. So there that is. We'll be right back. Alright guys, here it is. I even got the swivel stand. You could buy, they got them all over Amazon. Here we go. Here's my new computer. Got the new screen. It's kind of hard to show how I have it set up, but just made it enough room to look pretty good for what I need it to do. I'm really impressed with the screen. Great quality for video. I'm really impressed. So I might have to try some gaming, but you never know. But to me, it looks good for what it needs to be done. And like I said, this would be good for a kid's room, gaming room, a spare monitor like I use it. So it's up to you guys. Just check them out. TCL. Get the Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals going on now. This is going to be a short video. I mean, everyone knows who they are. They know what it has, and it's really good. Definitely check them out. Take advantage. Be safe. Have a good day.